Do you know exactly how dwelling coverage protects your home? It's simple. Dwelling coverage protects the main structure of the house you live in and anything attached to it, like a garage. And this coverage helps repair or replace the structure of your home if it's damaged by unexpected events that are covered losses like fire, wind, hail, lightning, theft, and vandalism. And while it protects you in many ways, dwelling coverage doesn't protect your dwelling or its mechanical components from flooding or earthquakes. And it doesn't cover your detached structures such as gazebos or sheds. The good news is you can protect your home from those instances by adding coverage like flood insurance, earthquake insurance, and other structures coverage. While the amount of dwelling coverage you need depends on a number of factors, you'll want to consider having enough coverage to cover the cost to rebuild your home. If you don't have enough dwelling coverage to rebuild, you'd be left paying any remaining costs out of pocket. Want to learn more about important extra coverages that will go the extra mile to protect you, your family, and your home? Connect with your American Family Insurance agent today.